Sometimes we make business far harder than it is. Good solid business practices and annual planning make it easier for you to focus on the future in a systematic way. One good business practice is to have a marketing plan. As the saying goes, if you don't know where you're going, how are you going to get there? Yet, only 56% of small businesses have one. Your marketing plan should contain some basic elements, like a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, marketing goals, a timeline, and more. If you have a business and you're among the 44% that don't yet have a marketing plan, we're going to help you get started. You'll be glad that you did. Putting that plan into place will get you to where you want to go.
For your free marketing plan template, go to WLAJ.com.